Imagine having a family member who is always pessimistic, or a friend or a colleague who exudes negative vibes all the time. Feels heavy on the mind, doesn't it? But you can't always ignore toxic people, can you? Be it a manipulative boss or colleague at work, or a family member, it is not always feasible to cut ties. You've got to manage conversations and experiences with them smartly. So know the signs of negative people and learn how to deal with toxic people. What causes someone to become a toxic person? Toxicity in people may have a lot of different reasons, and it's often a complex interplay of various factors, including personal experiences. It varies from person to person, and sometimes some people can't help being toxic due to certain experiences that led them down this road. Here are a few reasons why some people are toxic. 1. Past trauma. 2. Low self-esteem. 3. Personality disorders. 4. Unresolved issues. There are some common signs and behaviors to look out for when identifying toxic people. They make everything about them, and conversations tend to steer back to them and their issues. Nothing is ever their fault. They always blame others and play the victim. They invalidate your feelings and tell you that you're wrong for feeling the way you do. They are so emotionally draining that you feel exhausted after interacting with them. They're manipulative, using guilt trips, lies, and threats to control people. They're critical and judgmental. They always find faults in others. They lack empathy and cannot understand or share in other people's emotions. They're passive-aggressive. Instead of communicating their issues in a healthy way, they make snide comments. They are unreliable. They betray your trust, break confidence, and use sensitive information against you. Setting boundaries is crucial when dealing with toxic individuals, as it helps protect your mental and emotional well-being. Learning to say no and prioritize your own needs is essential in maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself and others. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can also help counteract the effects of toxic relationships. Remember that it's okay to distance yourself from toxic individuals for the sake of your own well-being. Self-care is key when dealing with toxic people, so make sure to prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness to better understand your own emotions and reactions to toxic behavior. It's important to remember that you are not responsible for the actions or behavior of toxic individuals. Remember that you deserve to be treated with respect and kindness. Trust your instincts and listen to your gut when it comes to dealing with toxic people. Take the time to reflect on your own values and beliefs, and make sure that they align with the people you choose to surround yourself with. Stay strong and stay true to yourself, even in the face of toxicity.